most watched in the show's history.
Thought you might like the view. So, ladies, tell me a little something about yourself.
Well, you grew up in a small town, population 300, and...
Yeah, really? That's fascinating. Great. All right, impress me.
Two,
The
three.
recognition that sharing these historical connections with
Three
family
little
is a precious
birds
gift that
sat on
created
the window, and they told me I don't need to worry.
established with donations that far
God,
exceeded
put
gain,
your records
shows
on.
3,000
Tell me
prize
your
began
favorite
to provide
song.
training
You
grants for
go
elderly
ahead, let
veterans
your
and their
head
families.
down. Go ahead and
Within
let
its
your
first
head
year,
down.
the
Sapphire
foundation
and
helped over
fig trees. I hope you get your dreams.